Guys, Miguel here. Quick video on the OrganiShield biochemical insecticide. Safe for fish tanks. So basically, I've got it mixed in this 2-gallon spray bottle. And what we really love about this is that you can use it above the fish tank and not have to worry about the water getting oily or any of that. Good to get underneath the leaves of everything. I've got this set up on my chair so that I could roll it around and take a video. Kind of hard to hold the sprayer and do a video at the same time, but been using this as a preventative maintenance for pests for all of our plants over here at the store. And basically what we really needed was something that we could spray around everything over here. And pretty much everything that we have except for the wall is over fish tanks. So all of these guys get sprayed, and all of these ones over here get sprayed as well. And this thing works absolutely fantastic. All the spray comes off with just one wipe, even when it's dry. Take a little bit of water from the fish tank and pretty much do that. So spraying all the bottoms of the leaves, all the tops, and pretty much everything on the water. Bubbles up a little bit, but it'll go away by tomorrow. This is my Fahaka puffer tank. I've got my Fahaka puffer. His name is E.T. right there. And where'd he go? He is right there. And then the guppies as well. Over here, guppies everywhere. Over here we got guppies and ultimate angelfish. So feel freaking really confident that this product works well and works even better because we can use it over water. Hope this video was helpful in your decision. If you wanted to use OrganiShield but didn't want to use it over your fish tank or whatnot, this is proof that we do use it over our fish tanks and everybody is fine. Thanks for watching.